New Sound Wrestling Tag Team Championship match here. Prince O'Shea could not make it here tonight. Could not make it here tonight, so we have a freebird rule in play for Spotlight Enterprises. Brandon Nytroe stepping in for his cohort. Now we have Kit Sackett and Brandon Nytroe of Spotlight Enterprises defending those tag titles here tonight. Curious to see how this tag team works. I mean, we know O'Shea and Kit Sackett work really well together, but how does Kit Sackett and Brandon Nytroe work?
You know, we're gonna find out now. They're both sadistic in different ways.
True.
As opposed to being sadistic in the same way like O'Shea and Kit were. They're a pack of hyenas. Yeah. They just pick apart their opponents. That's why they're the inaugural tag team champions.
Correct. Then we got the team known as Top Notch, Jack Kruger and Alan Cole. I don't think they teamed together for quite some time now, but they are the next to compete for those tag team championships. Jack Kruger's kind of been on a winning streak as of late the last couple months, so I'm sure that's what got him this opportunity. And of course, him thinking he had to make that call to Alan Cole, and Alan Cole answered. If you look at it, Chava, Spotlight Enterprises is 0-2 tonight.
Yeah, because they were cheated out of a victory.
If you say so.
They were.
Twice? You say those...
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall.
Not happening.
It is for the New Sound Wrestling Tag Team Championship. Introducing first,
Enterprises, that's what
weighing in a total combined weight of 420 pounds. The men that make you wet. Kit Sackett and Brandon Nytroe.
Is that the sub name of the tag team?
I don't.
Did Mike or Brandon Nytroe feed Charlie that name? Oh.
Their challengers. Weighing in at a total combined weight of 630 pounds. Jack Kruger. Alan Cole. Top Notch.
Oh, man! Brandon Nytroe and Kit Sackett, I mean, at least the hyena mentality's still there, and attacking Top Notch as soon as they turn their backs on them. Brandon Nytroe throwing out Alan Cole, Kit Sackett throwing out Kruger. Match has officially started. I did hear that bell. And we're going to the outside immediately, and referee Terry, I think, has lost all control. All control. Brandon Nytroe throwing Alan Cole back in the ring as Kit Sackett continuing to work on Kruger. Kruger trying to get himself back in the ring. But, ooh, huge chop by Nytroe to Cole. Continuing as
Duck that chop. And Alan Cole to one of his own.
as we start to get this match back to some sort of normalcy. Ooh.
Does not cater to the crowd. He does not need to.
The inaugural Busan Wrestling heavyweight champion. Tag to Kit Sackett, who's the inaugural tag team champion. One half, excuse me, the inaugural tag team champions.
Hey, it is a team effort in Spotlight Enterprises.
If you want to call it a team, sure. Pack of Hyenas, all of them are, including that Spotlight Mike. Cook of the leg, 2 count. Kit Sackett's, yeah, there it is. Kit Sackett taking out Jack Kruger. Alan Cole clearly needs that tag.
Of course he does. It's the strategy.
Ooh.
This is the hyena pack mentality. You separate the help and you pick apart your opponent. It is the number one classic technique in tag team wrestling. Cut off the ring.
I'll agree with you on that, Chava. I mean, as much as I hate to admit it, Spotlight Enterprises has been very successful in this mentality in the way they do business. And the way they do business in that ring, it's right there, right in front of us. I hate to say it, but you are right. Oh, big drop kick by Nytroe.
As I say, the proof is in the pudding.
Correct. I hate saying that, but you're right. Oh, slapping Alan Cole's hand as he was trying to reach to tag in his tag team partner, Jack Kruger. Oh, neck breaker. Quick pin attempt. Smart move on Nytroe and Kit Sackett. Keeping the guy fresh, going for quick pin attempts, tiring Alan Cole here, where eventually he won't have enough energy to kick out.
As we've seen before, Alan Cole, no slouch. We saw them at Supercard go in this elimination 6-man street fight.
War. That was a battlefield. I don't remember. I think there was one person that didn't bleed in that match, but there was everybody else for the most part bled. Another 2 count.
No, I think everybody bled.
Am I wrong? Okay.
Yeah,
thank you.
everybody bled.
As I'm sure you love to do so.
When you're right, you're right, and when you're wrong, you're wrong. It's very black and white.
Alan Cole crawling. Tag. And now Nytroe mocking them. Slapping now Kruger's hand. Oh, there it is. Nytroe with those mind games now with a shoulder tackle. Nytroe full control this matchup. Going for a suplex. Oh, Alan Cole. Oh, putting his leg out. There it is. Oh, finally. Alan, see, look, the exhaustion, the punishment, it's definitely shown on the body of Alan Cole. As now he is trying to crawl over Nytroe to try and get that pin, trying to get that tag, excuse me. There it is, Kruger. Kruger's alive. Nytroe tag. Here we go.
Big line.
Big splash. Uh-oh. Clothesline. And another one. Kruger's cleaning the house. Clubbing blow to the back. Picks him up and over. Fireman's carry. Kit Sackett taking out the legs of Kruger. Down goes Kruger, down to his knees. Kruger's definitely feeling that. Oh, big time drop kick. Drops Kruger down. Come over. Look at the leg. 2. Kruger's still alive.
One thing about Jack, he is resilient. Time, especially at Supercard, that 6-man tag.
Dude, you want to talk about that Supermania? We see Webster Prince not announced here tonight, but we put his face into the pyro that they're using, into their own equipment. As Kit Sackett, Spotlight Enterprises takes up control, big time neck breaker. Kit Sackett sizing up Jack Kruger here. Big back elbow, tagging in Nytroe. Smart time to tag him in. Now Nytroe continues where Kit Sackett left off.
Oh!
That's exactly what these guys are doing. Oh, Nytroe trying to do it some sort of maneuver, trying to use his way, but he could have potentially thrown his back out there. Big line! There it is, Kruger. Kruger going for a pin attempt. Hook of the leg. Schitzaki wiping the back of the head of Kruger. Break up that pin attempt. Headbutt. Oh, might have made. Oh, another headbutt back. I don't even know who's more wobbly. If it's either Kruger or Nytroe from those headbutts.
No, I don't know either. But Nytroe's throwing hands.
Oh. Nytroe running. Big old chop. Run to the ropes. Oh my goodness. Nytroe now running. Oh, double overhead chops. Oh, Nytroe responds.
Back and forth.
Man. Bad. Double clothesline, taking out both men. Wow. Jack Kruger's been doing his tape study because he knows what Nytroe brings to the table.
Well, especially with Brandon Nytroe. And we'll both get second. When you are a champion, you are the most watched in your division, in the roster, because everybody wants to take those championships off of you.
Alan Hall and Kid Sackett in now. Wow, release, back body drop. Alan Cole on fire here. Trying to encourage Kruger to get another pin attack. Yeah. Taking advantage of the quick tag attempts. Oh, wait! Referee Terry didn't see it, but
He's down and out.
oh! Punch to the wiener. Wait, there's no ref. He took out the referee. Oh, now Nytroe asking for the tag belt.
That's why we need this and this.
Uh-oh, Sackett picking up Kruger. Oh, they might be trying to slam his face into the belt. He's going, oh! He hits Kit! Kit got hit with the belt instead! Roll up. Oh, what? Referee comes to. What? What? Wow! We have new tag champions! We have new tag team champions! And their names are top notch! Spotlight Mike Enterprises 0-3 tonight, guys! Here at Anthology Volume 2!
I can't believe it. Spotlight Enterprise, what is going on?
And Enterprise may have fallen here tonight. Uh-oh. Wait. What's up? What's going on here? Kid Sackett has a chair in tow. Brandon Nytroe apologizing to Kid.
Oh!
Oh, smell like Mike 2! What is happening here? Kid Sackett laying out the remnants of Spotlight Enterprises.
Spotlight Enterprises are immediate.
I don't know if they have very many members left.
Time to go recruiting? I don't know.
Wait. Kid Sackett's back. Ooh. Paxton leash, more punishment. What's the kid thinking? I don't know if he's thinking right now, Java. That's probably the best thing that he could have done for these two. Walk away. Spotlight Mike just got eviscerated by their, I don't know what you want to call him, friend anymore. I don't know what you want to call this anymore. I don't know. I don't know